Guys, we're on job today with Bill the plumber. Check it out, we're severely overloading this trailer. Basically, he uses this trailer to bring his equipment to the job site. We're gonna dig out all the spoilings, throw them in the trailer. He's telling me we've got about 20,000 pounds in this trailer, which is crazy. But one of the testimonials is look how much water is in here. It's been in here a while and it's barely leaking. Yes, we have a little leakage, but that's a testimonial to Diamond C's engineering and how tight their tolerances are when they build these trailers. And if you look over here, look how low we're getting. I mean, this trailer is severely overloaded. It's crazy. But we're gonna see this ram pump system on it is the piston is a 3-speed 3-tier system. So that first one's gonna lift it up, it's gonna hit second, get faster. We're gonna dump it in the hole, and hopefully she does it, man. This is the best test I can ever see. And for equipment, you have your little equipment stands. He loves that, so you're not raising the back end of the truck.
This thing's watertight, bud.
Watertight. Here we go.
Watertight. Oh yeah, look at that.
What do you think of the way those doors lock?
Oh, I think they're phenomenal.
Yeah.
So nice. Love it.
Love it. Love it. He loves it.
Excellent.
There we go.
I don't operate this portion of it, man.
Yeah, I get you. It's a heavy load.
Real heavy load. See
Yeah.
all the water pouring out? 7.8 pounds a gallon of water.
Yeah.
That's how much water weighs. 7.8.
And then all that dirt.
Shoot, that ain't just dirt. That's muck,
Yeah.
gravel, all the heavy stuff.
That's it, guys. Job's over. Load the equipment. The trailer came in clutch for pretty much everything we needed it to do. And now we're on to the next job. That's it. Locked up, ready to go. Diamond C.